have that question that how to download an Instagram Reels. Now Reels has been popular for many days. Everyone is looking at me Reels, Instagram Reels, and it's also very fun. But if you want to download Instagram Reels for free, then I am here to help you. So first go to Instagram and just click on the reels, which reels you want to download.
बताता हूँ। देख, हमारा लैपटॉप या फिर फोन जो स्टोरेज कैलकुलेट करता है वो कुछ ऐसे होता है, जहाँ पे एक KB 1024 बाइट होता है, जिससे 64 GB का कैलकुलेट करें तो कुछ ऐसे।
I will give a website link in the description, video description. There, after going there, we will see like a website like this, and then simply paste the link on it, the Instagram Reels link, then click download. And after within a few seconds you will see download.mp4. then click on it and the video Instagram Reels will be started downloading into your device, and after some time the video will be in your device and you can watch it offline and from your gallery. So here the video is downloaded. Let me play it. So you can see the video has been downloaded into my device. For more tech videos, follow and subscribe my channel.